What's up, YouTube? It's a wonderful evening, and I'm out on a date with this beautiful old lady. This is a 1961 Jawa. This is a very beautiful motorcycle, and it belongs to my cousin brother. ये पुरानी गाड़ी है, धुआं ऐसे ही रहता है इसमें. This Java is in full stock condition. It has all the original parts, from the speedometer to the drums and everything. My Java has about 40% of ESD parts. So I'm stuck in traffic. Javas are imported from Czechoslovakia, and it were bought here under the brand name Idle Java. In the years 50s and 1960s, the only bikes that were available in India were either Javas or Royal Enfields. Norton, Triumph, these all were more of a super bike. So they were not built for the ordinary people, and they were expensive as well. So during the 50s and 60s, people used to ride Javas and Royal Enfields, and there were no other motorcycles at that time. As you can see, the tank has the ignition switch. This is the key, and this is the battery amp meter, and this is the neutral light. All Javas have one particular thing, Javas and ESDs. The kick lever and the brake and the gear lever, both are the same, except for the Perak version, I suppose. The Perak is from 1940s and 50s. Nowadays, riding a Java in the city traffic is extremely painful. The turning radius on these motorcycles is very low. But the joy of riding these motorcycles is not explainable. I cannot explain the feeling of riding a Java. This motorcycle took a lot of time to restore. My cousin brother had to source parts from Bangalore and other cities, and they were not available. So the project went on like for about 2 or 3 years. Kickstarting this motorcycles is one of the best things in the world that anyone can experience. The feeling, the throttle, it's just unexplainable. I'll just give you an overview of the bike from all sides and angles. This is the original accelerator. It says idle Jawa here. Even the carburetor says made in Czechoslovakia. The owner of this bike also owns a WFM that is of 1961. I will be making a video on that as well. Thanks to my brother for making this video possible. Without him I couldn't make this video. And thanks for lending the bike to me.